Today I'm going to teach you how to make a magic ring. This first time through is going to be in normal speed, so you can just see my hands and how they move and how I control the yarn and my tension as I work creating this magic ring. This is a very important technique to learn if you are going to need to make anything crocheted in a circular pattern. Here in a second, I will pull out my work and we will start over, and I will go slower and break it down and explain it step by step. This is what your created magic ring should look like. So let me rip out my work. You will take your starting yarn tail and you will hold it down with your left thumb. You'll take your right hand and you will wrap it around your index finger and your middle finger, creating an X on the back of your hand. When you bring that yarn back around the other side of your fingers, you will hold it down with your left ring finger. Then you will slide your hook under that first string and you will pull that second string and give it a slight twist at the top. Then you will hold the yarn with your left thumb. We are going to start our chain on to our magic ring. So what you will do is you will yarn over your hook. You will pull it through that loop. Now you will go through the magic ring, grab a hold of the yarn with your hook. You will then pull it back towards you and you will hold those two loops with your thumb. You will yarn over your hook again and then you will pull it through those two loops. You will repeat this again. You will go in underneath the two strings on your magic ring and you will yarn over your hook again. Then you will pull through those two loops that are on your hook. You will do it again. You will go through the magic ring. You will have two loops on your hook. You will yarn over your hook and pull through those two loops. Go back into the magic ring. Yarn over your hook, pull through the two loops, creating another stitch. Generally, magic rings are worked in even numbers, so they will be like 4, 6, or 8 count. Then when you have reached your desired count on your magic ring, you will pull your yarn tail to close your magic ring. And then you will place your stitch marker at the last stitch on your ring. I want to point out here that you see the chain on stitch. That is not your first stitch. You want to go to the next one over and you want to push your hook through there. You will see that you should have 2 strings that are in the shape of a V on your hook. Then you will hold down your starting yarn tail and then you will go through, yarn over your hook and pull through those 2 loops, and you will continue to work all the way around to your stitch marker.